The endoplasmic reticulum lies just outside of the nuclear envelope and is made up of a number of tubules and sacs called cisternae. Now these cisternae are made up of phospholipid membranes, and these membranes separate the internal compartment of the endoplasmic reticulum called the lumen from the cytosol of the cell. The membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum and the membrane of the nuclear envelope are continuous with each other, and as a result, the intermembranous space between the membranes of the envelope is also continuous with the lumen of the ER. And the ER is divided into two different sections, the smooth ER and the rough ER. The smooth ER, shown here, is responsible for synthesizing lipids, metabolizing carbohydrates, and detoxifying drugs and poisons. If you take a look down here, we'll illustrate how the smooth ER detoxifies. Under normal circumstances, anytime a drug or poison enters the body, the smooth ER will attach a hydroxide group that makes the poison more soluble in water and more easily excreted from the body. So if a person takes drugs or drinks alcohol excessively, this will induce the proliferation of the smooth ER so that the person can detoxify at a higher rate. The rough ER, shown here, is responsible to synthesize cellular membranes and modify proteins that are going to be secreted from the cell. Now the way that this works is that proteins are fed into the lumen of the ER by ribosomes that attach to its surface. As ribosomes translate mRNA, they feed the newly synthesized protein into the lumen of the ER, where it's then modified before it's sent off to the next organelle called the Golgi apparatus. Once the protein has been modified to a point in the ER, those proteins are packaged into a transport vesicle such as this, and those vesicles, which are simply small membranous sacs that bud off from the ER, are transported through the cytosol to the Golgi apparatus.